We are done, and it's time to properly introduce ourselves. It all started by creating the world's thinnest leather billfold, and people loved it.
It's actually pretty cool. I've actually been fairly impressed by this.
It's very nice. I like it a lot.
I really love it.
We left home in 2017, ended up in Vietnam, and started working on the most minimalist travel backpack to date. 7 months and 7 prototypes later, the DUN TravelPack is finally here. High-quality waterproof zippers and a gorgeous lightweight nylon canvas protect your belongings against the elements. The TravelPack's carry-on volume is fully usable, so you can pack it comfortably to the max. Its true innovation lies in its versatility. With a secure laptop compartment, multifunctional pockets, and an advanced strap system that turns your travel pack into a backpack in seconds. DUN TravelPack is made for those who need the freedom to go anywhere, work from everywhere, and explore the broadest sense of the word. Don't forget to carry what matters.